Today, I will be showing you how to create a cube in Onshape. This quick guide is perfect for beginners who want to understand the basic tools and workflow of this powerful cloud-based CAD software. First, log in to your Onshape account and create a new document. Once your workspace opens, select the Sketch tool and choose a plane. Let's use the top plane for this example. Now, use the rectangle tool to draw a square. Do not worry about the size yet. We will define it precisely in a moment. Next, apply dimensions to the square. Set both sides to the same value to ensure that the shape is perfectly even. For this tutorial, let's make it 50 mm by 50 mm. After finishing the sketch, click the check mark and select the Extrude feature. Enter the same measurement, 50 mm, to give the shape equal height. Instantly, your square transforms into a cube. Take a moment to rotate the model and view it from different angles. Congratulations! You have just created a solid 3D object using only a few essential tools. And that's how you create a cube in Onshape. Thank you.